Holy crap, guys, it's here. The S650 full carbon Performance Pack 1 wing is in this wrapper right here. And we're gonna unwrap it for you live, kind of. Holy crap. We've been waiting for this for 10 weeks. We shipped out a donor wing, courtesy of Derek at Sanford AutoNation Ford. He gave us his PP1 wing off his Grabber Blue GT with less than 100 miles off on it for sacrificing to make this. So this is gonna be his wing once we can confirm the fitment on it. Here we go. The very first S650 carbon wing, period, is very well wrapped. The anticipation and the, like, it's just been crazy these last 10 weeks. Wow. Here we go. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Oh, boy. Woo! Look at this. Wow. It is full carbon, super light. It looks exactly like the one we sent off, only better. Let's get it in the sunlight. Oh. Wow. It's pretty insane, guys. All right, so my initial thoughts of this mod, it went super smooth, super easy to install, and it has completely transformed the look of this car. I mean, we went from, let's face it, this car had no ass before. Now, she looks good. Holy crap. So super happy with it. The fitment is excellent. It lines right up with the body lines. It looks like an OEM piece. The carbon weave is flawless. I mean, what more do you want?